You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this delicious step. How do you say it correctly? Well, this is a name of Spanish origin, and in Spanish it is said as guacamole, guacamole. Now, admittedly in English it is often pronounced as guacamole, guacamole, but really should be said as guacamole, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.